Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well today. I got a quick video on Transporter T5. We're going to be replacing anti-roll by a link today. So I got a new one here. I'm just going to show you quickly how to do it. Obviously make sure your car is secure, you jacked it up properly on the jacking points, the handbrake is on. Obviously we're doing the front one. It's located, obviously you have to take the wheel off and it will be located there with 21mm holding the bolt, and the other part just slides on there. So you need to make sure you got some either grease or WD-40 to help you out. So if that's something you're interested in, join in guys and let's do it now. So just to show you, this is the old anti-roll bar link. Obviously it needs to slide off of there, but before you do that you need to undo that 21mm, and once that's undone you will be able to slide it off of there. As you can see, I already put some maintenance spray, WD-40 on there to help me out, and make sure you clean the thread on there to make your job a lot easier. So I'm going to use my impact gun, hopefully they'll get that undone. Perfect, there you are. So that's the nut off. Once the bottom nut obviously is off, you can undo the shock on this side to make it easier for you because the bolt goes all the way through. If you undo it, obviously it shortens the thread and you'll make it a lot easier to get it off of there. And then once it's off, you just wiggle it off the top there and that should come out. So I'm just gonna undo this a little bit more and then get the bar in there and just pop it off. Right, so that's off of there. Now all we got left is to wiggle it. Obviously I can't get my hand in there with the camera, but you'll see, especially when they're already worn. So the old one is off. As you can see, it's just the rubber that you struggle to go past. So I will clean that up, spray a bit more maintenance spray on it, just to make it easier going back on. Make sure there's no corrosion, and obviously start putting the new one on there. So we just need to turn that down and obviously locate the bottom part on the thread. For that you might need a bar to drop it down a little bit, as you can see, just to lower it a little bit. So get the bar in there, lower the whole anti-roll bar, and we're on the thread. Perfect. So now obviously I have to push this thread back in all the way. Make sure the thread goes in, and then put the nut on and do the nut up. So I'll lower it down, manage to get it back on the thread and start the nut up. So obviously now you have to do the nut up, hold the other side, hold the bolt on this side as well while you're doing it up. And I'm going to put the torque setting in the description below, so make sure you do it up guys, and that is pretty much job done. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I do apologize if the quality wasn't great, because like I say, it's a bit dark. I'm just trying to give you a guidance, obviously what you would expect to do and what tools you need. So I've used the gun, I've used the big bar to get it off of there, prying it between the shock absorber and the rubber there, and then I used the little bar to pry it on the thread, obviously where it come off, to get the new one back on there, and plenty of grease or WD-40. And that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.